Question number 2. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segments of other chord. What is given? A circle is given and two equal chord AB and CD, they are equal and they intersect within the circle. Let they intersect at point B. And we have to prove that the segment of one chord, which is the segment of one chord, is corresponding equal to the segment of other chord. Means segment AP is equal to segment CP. This is the first TPT. और दूसरा segment ये है आपका BP is equal to PD. Understood? This is to be proved. Now let's join the center. पहले आप center को join कर दीजिए, PO को join कर दीजिए. This is center से P को, मतलब उसके बाद सिंस द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल, ये दोनों कॉर्ड्स इक्वल है AP एंड CD, तो सेंटर से उसका डिस्टेंस भी सेम होगा. दैट इज यहाँ पे ये परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगी आपकी. ओके, OM, M ऑलरेडी वी हैव गिवन आई थिंक नेम. M नहीं दिया तो हम इसको नाम दे देते हैं M और इसको दे देते हैं N. ठीक है, ये परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगी इक्वल कॉर्ड से क्योंकि AB और CD. Now, how will you prove AP equal to CP? First of all, first part हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं. तो you know that AB is equal to CD, it is given. So half of AB will be equal to half of CD, isn't it? So half of AB we can take AM and half of CD we can take CN and give it number 1. Then can we prove triangle OMP and ONP is congruent? Yes. How? We have OP equal to OP common. We have OMP is equal to ONP each 90 degree and OM equal to ON. Why? Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. This is a theorem you have learned previously कि जो equal chords होती है उसका center से difference same होता है and that's why OM equal to ON. So by RHS ये 90 डिग्री है, ये वाला साइड लिया अपन ने और ये हमने ये कॉमन दिखाया. तो by RHS triangle OMP congruent to ONP and therefore PM equal to PN by CPCT number 2. And when we will add AM plus PM we will get AP and CN plus PN we will get PC, isn't it? Now then this was the first part. How will you prove this too? PB equal to DP. For that it's very easy. We already given that AB equal to CD and just now in first part we proved that AP equal to CP. तो अगर हम AB में से AP को subtract करते हैं तो we will get PB and if we subtract this PC from CD we will get PD. That's all. Understood? So let's start. First of all we'll write the given. What is given to us that we have to mention first of all. So given to a circle with center O, a circle with center O is given to us. Afterwards what else is given? AB, chord AB is equal to CD and AB and CD intersect at which point? At P. Then TPT we have to prove that number 1 segment of one chord, that is AP equal to CP, and number 2 is BP is equal to DP. Let's start construction. What we constructed? So join OP को हमने join किया and draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. Actually ये perpendicular है ही because AB and CD are equal chords. Alright, now let's prove. First of all, so we have AB is equal to CD, right? AB is equal to CD. It is given. AB is equal to CD. This is given. Now therefore we can write half of AB is equal to half of CD. So half of AB I can write AM and half of CD का half I can write CN. Alright, give it number 1. Then we need this OM equal to ON also. तो उसके लिए ठीक है, जब बाद में रीज़न दे देंगे, जब हम ट्रायंगल में लिख लेंगे उसे तब. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल OMP and in triangle ONP. Angle OMP is equal to angle ONP, each 90 degree. Then OP equal to OP common, and OM is equal to ON. Reason, equal chords of a circle, equal chords of circle are equidistant from center. Equidistant from the center. Alright. Now therefore triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP by RHS, and therefore we can write line segment PM is equal to PN, give it number 2, by CP CT. Alright. Now after adding 1 and 2, अब दोनों को add कर दीजिए, तो AM और PM, see this AM and PM, you will get AP, and adding CN and PN, you will get CP. Alright, so adding 1 and 2, you will get AM plus MP is equal to CN plus PN. So here you will get AP, and adding CN and PN, you will get CP. So hence prove the first part. Now let's begin to prove the second part, that is BP equal to DP. So it's also very simple. Second part, what is given? It is given that AB is equal to CD. Give it number 1. Here we will write given. Just now what we have proved? We proved that AP equal to CP. This is number 2, proved above. What you will do? Subtract 2 from 1. ओके 2 को 1 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. AB को AP से सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए. AB माइनस AP and CD माइनस CP. लुक इट इन द फिगर. व्हेन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट AB में से हम AP को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो PB मिल जाएगा, एंड CD में से CP को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो DP मिल जाएगा. सो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग यू विल गेट BP is equal to DP. Hence prove the second part.